This Hamilton Beach 200 square inch electric griddle with adjustable temperature model 3085-22 is a versatile and reliable cooking appliance that is designed to meet the needs of any household. This electric griddle boasts a Durathon ceramic non-stick surface that is not only attractive but also incredibly durable, being 4 times more resilient than traditional non-stick surfaces. Its PFOA and PFOA-free construction ensures that your meals are safe and healthy. Let's dive into the features and benefits of this remarkable griddle to understand why it's a must-have for your kitchen. The Hamilton Beach 3080-522 electric griddle features a sleek and modern design with a classic gray ceramic surface. The griddle's surface is made from Durathon ceramic, which is known for its superior durability. Unlike traditional nonstick coatings that can crack or peel over time, Durathon ceramic is built to last. This means you can use metal utensils without worrying about damaging the surface. The griddle is also free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFOA, ensuring that your cooking is safe and healthy. One of the standout design features of this griddle is its reversible design. The griddle can be lifted from its base, allowing you to connect the power cord from either side. This flexibility ensures that you can always reach the most convenient power outlet, no matter where you're cooking. This feature is particularly useful in kitchens with limited counter space or for those who frequently move their cooking appliances around. With an adjustable temperature range of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the Hamilton Beach electric griddle offers a wide range of cooking options. Whether you're gently reheating leftovers or quickly searing a steak, this griddle has you covered. The precise temperature control ensures that you can cook your food exactly the way you want it. The 200 square inch cooking surface provides ample space to cook multiple items at once. This makes it ideal for preparing meals for a family or a small crowd. You can easily cook a full breakfast with eggs, bacon, pancakes, and hash browns all at the same time. For lunch and dinner, the griddle is perfect for grilling sandwiches, cooking burgers, and even making stir-fries. One of the key benefits of the Hamilton Beach electric griddle is its ease of use. The adjustable temperature control is straightforward, with an indicator light that goes off when the set temperature is reached. This eliminates the guesswork and ensures that you start cooking at the right temperature. The griddle also features a removable drip tray that catches excess grease and food particles. This not only makes your cooking healthier, but also simplifies the cleanup process. After you're done cooking, simply remove the drip tray and empty it. Cleaning up after cooking can be a daunting task, but the Hamilton Beach electric griddle makes it easy. The griddle, drip tray, and base are all dishwasher safe, so you can simply remove the cord and place the components in the dishwasher. The nonstick surface ensures that food residue comes off easily, so you won't have to spend time scrubbing. The reversible design also aids in the cleaning process. By lifting the griddle off its base, you can access all areas for thorough cleaning. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining the griddle's longevity and ensuring that it remains in top condition for years to come. The Hamilton Beach electric griddle is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for any meal of the day. For breakfast, you can cook an array of items like pancakes, bacon, eggs, and sausages all at once. The large cooking surface ensures that you can prepare a complete breakfast for your family without having to cook in batches. For lunch and dinner, the griddle's versatility continues to shine. Grill sandwiches to perfection, cook burgers with a nice sear, or even prepare a stir-fry with ease. The adjustable temperature control allows you to switch between cooking methods effortlessly, ensuring that you can create a variety of dishes without needing multiple appliances. The Durathon ceramic nonstick surface not only provides durability, but also promotes healthier cooking. The need for less oil means your meals are lower in fat and calories. Additionally, the absence of PFOA and PFOA chemicals ensures that your food is free from potentially harmful substances. The nonstick surface also ensures that your food retains its natural flavors, making your meals more delicious and satisfying. Conclusion: The Hamilton Beach 200 square inches electric griddle with adjustable temperature is a versatile, durable, and user-friendly appliance that every household should consider. Its large cooking surface, adjustable temperature range, and easy cleanup make it an essential tool for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this griddle provides the flexibility and convenience you need to create delicious meals with ease. With its Durathon ceramic nonstick surface, you can rest assured that your griddle will stand the test of time, providing reliable performance for years to come. The reversible design and dishwasher-safe components further enhance its appeal, making it a truly versatile and practical addition to your kitchen. If you're looking for a high-quality electric griddle that offers exceptional performance and convenience, the Hamilton Beach 3080-522 is an excellent choice. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Hamilton Beach electric griddle and elevate your cooking to new heights. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.